Hi! It's
Go.
me, Johan, and here you are? Earl? Yes.
Where are we now?
Where are we now? Lolo and Lola's farm.
Yeah.
Yes. So nice. Let's go there. Let's look at the view. Guys, dito tayo sa farm ni Papa tsaka ni Mami. So ito yung dragon fruit. Ay, ito ulit tayo. May avocado.
Tapos ito flower.
Wow!
Ay, may flower na.
Ito na, may flower na. Ito na, may start na. Ito, guys. Halika dito. Ay,
Ito,
may
flower.
ito na.
Ito, sigurado.
Nag-start na fruit. Oh. Guys, ito ang farm life.
Pinya nga plantation na.
Ito daw, pinya plantation. Oo. So, very nice variant ng
Pero may palit naman ako ang kuhan. Ibubutang ito nga pan-grass killer.
Say hi. Oh, Earl got a chicken feather. Yeah. Where are we gonna pass here? Oh, look nandun yung
Hotel.
hotel. Oh, wow. Anytime soon.
Flower.
It will open. Oo, it will open. So where are we going, Pep? Which way?
Ay, gusto niyo. Gusto niyo nga may sayang dito. May palit. Ang nasaging nga natumba.
Oh, nakita naman pa.
Oo.
Ako yung melasma.
We are going to the mini forest. Ay, this is the pineapple.
Guys, baka magkamelasma tayo. Wear wide-brimmed hat. So, 4,000 4,000 pineapple.
MD2 ito pineapple yung nga kuan andito ha Dole Philippines.
Pineapple daw from Dole Philippines. So expect na masarap ito, guys. Only at Burabod Integrated Farms.
Bye.
By
Attorney
Pedro Panis. Okay guys, watch out yung mangrove, mga May, and then mag-harvest din ng mangga, at saka yung mga langka, mga second week of June. So watch out ha, on all Detipanis Salon branches. And also you can go to Youth Plus, dun din magbebenta din dun. Guys, yung mga yung mga restaurant owners, na kayo, coordinate with us. Chos! Guys, dito tayo sa may papaya. Ayan ang ganda. Coming from Davao. So basically,
So every month.
red lady ata to. So
Matamis.
halos matamis. So naturally sweet talaga siya.
When is the harvest time? Every month naman, di ba?
Month, I think,
Video.
Na-stomach in.
Yes, Mami.
Hi guys! Today we're gonna go to Lola's farm.
Yes.
We are we're gonna get fruit.